takes.
When we all get there, we have to put sunscreen on, okay?
We have to put sunscreen. Why we do have to do that?
It's because it's super hot today, and I even almost burned off today.
Oh, so sunscreen will protect your your skin.
Yeah.
All right.
Green sounds like skin. Green sounds like ice cream. Cause green. Ice cream.
Sunscreen.
Hi guys, welcome back to Gabby Adventure channel. Subscribe to in my channel.
Okay, well, there you go, my daughter. Remember her grandma seeing the cemetery where grandma got buried. Now she's crying. Keep passing. It's okay. She's crying. It's okay. Grandma is in happy place now. We're gonna go to the creek. Okay? Don't be sad. It's okay. It's okay.
Hi guys, we're in the clear now, and there's so many bugs and stuff.
Gabby doesn't like the bugs and stuff.
Yeah.
So it's hot, Gabby.
Some are getting in my face.
Well, it's not hot here, so we don't need to. Yeah,
In
Adri.
my face.
Those are just some stuff I still need to cook.
That's mean.
It's not even bugs, probably. It's probably just your hair and stuff.
You see that in my face?
Yeah, I see that in the face. You like your face, huh?
Yeah, but I don't like it. They're bothering me when they get in my face.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna cook now. So we're gonna find some. What do we have to find, Gabby? Some stick to cook. No, Gabby is hungry, so she's gonna eat first. Oh, mommy and daddy is gonna cook.
I want some noodles.
That's Gabby.
I want some noodles. I see him. I see him.
I know.
I see him. Hi,
You can look
Daddy.
into a good creek. Closer, you cannot find anything. So where should we cook? Right here? All your toys, Gabby. You
There
want
was
some?
a fly on my plate.
I know. Oh,
All these dogs just want to get in my face.
oh, this bug is this one. Get in.
Bugs are trying to get on you, huh?
No, they're just trying to get on my face. Oh, my tongue first.
First, we're gonna find some pambukid, some beef,
Oh,
some stone. Oh crap! Maybe some beef. I need some. You wanna eat first, Gabby?
Yep.
Come on, eat first. I don't want you to be starving. Come on. Give me your plate first. You only need one plate.
One plate for Daddy. This plate. Here's my paper. I got my paper towels. Here's my paper towels.
You forget to bring some drinks except water, huh?
We got water here.
I know we do, but we don't have any like soda and stuff. I forgot it.
I forgot we don't need soda.
That is too much vegetables. So.
Yum.
Here you go. What? Why are you ew? You don't need to have a lot of that.
Don't need to have a lot. I know. They were just making
But
a
we need
little
some.
flat area for your fire.
But we need some wood, some.
Yeah.
I need a big, not just stick. So we're looking for a lot of creek, but they're really not creek for me. They're like a little stuff, but I was imagining it's beautiful or something. But yeah, we're here. It's not hot because it's full of trees and stuff. I hope you didn't get in trouble. Yeah. Look, Gabby, I made a fire. Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Careful. It's enough for sure.
You know why I went to eat over here?
Why?
Because when I was over there, I could smell the fire. And I don't like to smell the fire.
You don't?
Yeah, because I could smell that fire right up front of me.
Well, we gotta get that nice and hot so we can cook some
You want
food.
some mango also?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna slice some mango. I have this. Can I have one? I don't want to make a mess in our bed. Okay. Then we can slice some. We forgot to bring some stuff. All that is taking like that. Not very good in slicing. Mm.
That's why I feel like a piece of apple.
Yeah. There you go. I'm not very good at slicing stuff, so forgive me if you're scared watching. Oh, crap. Mm.
Look over here, Daddy.
Oh.
There's a bug. It's trying
Gabby,
to get my
we're
food
in the bugs' playground. We're in their house now.
Yeah, you
So
don't
they're
have to
gonna
worry.
they're gonna be annoying because we're in their house now.
Daddy,
Yep.
you're not bugs on your eat thing. I don't want bugs to be on the place where we eat.
Yeah.
Can you put the bug in water?
Well, I have no idea why my potato takes 4 hours to cook. We're probably gonna starve. It looks like it's burned, but it's hard. I didn't have a foil. So that's how it looks like that. Oh well, who cares? It's like I said, we're gonna... Hey you, what are you doing? Well, this one. And it's my daughter over there playing. What are you playing, Gabby?
Well, water and sand.
Water and sand?
Yeah, and dogs too. I'm a zombie. With my head. Zombie, cut on the surf.
I don't know if we still can eat it.
Hey, where's my head? Help!
I should have a foil for this baby. Oh,
Got you, head. Oh, finally. I'm cooking now. Wait, and you know what I'm making out of the water?
What?
Cocoa.
Oh, cocoa?
Yeah, but a toy from the candy I'm making cocoa with the sand.
You know what you could do?
I really don't have some cocoa.
You could build a rock castle with all the rocks.
who walks with what. Some that don't do that. Wow, her mouth is messy.
Yum, 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 yum.
There you go, Oreo. Have,
My mouth first.
wipe your mouth. Okay, I will give you a bath. I will give you a bath.
Oh, I feel better.
Shaking the water a little bit. Shaking
Shake
the
your
water.
hair. My hair. You're gonna burn your skin in there.
I will dry you. I will put your bed near the fire, so you will dry off in the fire near the fire.
Okay. I don't know what happened to our food, but it looks like we're not eating today, huh?
I think it burned.
Good.
You like the corn?
Different because see in Philippines like this they really taste so sweet. It's because they're fresh and ripe when they pick it up. This one is like not, so they're like not sweet, but it's not that good. It's okay but not good.
I want hair.
Ask Daddy.
Dad, I have some hair.
Daddy, can you cut some first for Gabby?
Pears, cut pear for Gabby.
She wants first. Right there.
The knife. My hands are filthy.
Mancho. I've been opening it.
Not that much I have to cut out. Yeah, take a nice break, relax, right?
Yes.
Cook a lot of food. Eat
I want,
some.
see, I wish I had my fish here.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm done. Yummy, huh?
What is it called?
Potato. I just
What kind of food is?
potato.
Potato. Well, potato ketchup, I already know I like it.
So, okay guys, that's it. Say bye, Gabby.
That movie he likes.
Say bye, guys. Thank you for
Bye
watching.
guys, thank you for watching.
Make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you go out and like.
Thank you for watching our little camping in the creek.
Thank you for watching our little